What's up YouTube? Many of you guys have been asking how I make my text animation. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you 4 text animation and I'll also share my own glow settings that I use on all my edits. Get your text layer ready. Click on the animate button and add opacity effect. Change the opacity to 0 and click on the drop down menu. Add a keyframe on the start. Change from character to words. Change ease high and low to 50 and 50. Go few seconds forward and make the start to 100. Again click on the animate button and add opacity again. Change the opacity to 0 and click on the drop down menu. Add a keyframe for the offset and change it to -100. Change square to ramp down and change the ease high and low to 50 and 50. Click on add and go to property and add blur. Change the blur settings to 4. And go to the end of the text and change the offset to 100. And now click on the animate button and add tracking. Add a keyframe at the beginning for tracking and go to the end of the layer and change it to 12. For the second text, click on the animate button and add opacity effect. Change the opacity to 0 and click on the drop down menu. Change the offset to -100 and add keyframe. Change from square to ramp up. Change the ease high and low to 50 and 50. And add the second two effects that text one add. For the third text, click on the animate button and add scale effect. Change the scale to 0 and add a keyframe at the beginning and go forward a few seconds and change the scale to 100. Add the same two effects that text one add. And now click U to reveal all the keyframes. Select the scale keyframes and hit F9 to easy ease and copy my graph. For the fourth text animation, split your text layer into two layers and add the same effects that text to add. You can just copy and paste to both the text layer. And now offset your text layers like how I did. And now add null layer by right clicking and add a new layer. And parent both your text layers to null like how I did. and press P on your keyboard and add a keyframe at the end of the null layer and change the position of the null layer, or you can just copy my settings. You can even reverse the position if you would like. For the glow settings, pre-comp your text layer and add deep glow and drop shadow and copy my settings. So thank you so much for watching the video. Leave a like and comment, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye.